Hey guys, welcome back to Econ Time with SK. So grab your notebooks, your favorite cup of coffee, and let's get started. So now we're going to be studying income elasticity of demand. Now, if you have understood price elasticity of demand, then the concept of income elasticity of demand is quite similar. So remember that the price elasticity of demand was essentially the percentage change in QD due to a percentage change in price. Guess what? The income elasticity of demand, and remember in economics, when we want to talk about income, we call it Y. That's the symbol. Well, the income elasticity of demand is just going to be percentage change in demand due to a percentage change in income. So why do I make such a fuss and call it demand instead of writing Q here? Because I want you to remember that change in income is a shift factor, right, which leads to a change in demand, not change in quantity demanded. Let's take a quick look at the formula. Remember that this again follows the pattern that we saw for the price elasticity of demand. So remember, for price elasticity of demand, we basically had change in quantity demanded by change in price times price by quantity. We're going to do average of this, average of this. So when it comes to income elasticity of demand, how do we update the formula? Well, it's going to be change in demand by change in income times income average divided by the average demand at the two different levels of income, right? But of course, people are going to get confused if they see this D here. So to follow convention, we're going to write it as change in Q. Notice I'm not writing change in quantity demanded. By change in Q, I just mean what is the change in consumption, and this is going to be Q average. So if I were to rewrite it, essentially, this is our formula for calculating the income elasticity of demand. So if you have to do the calculation, this is the formula you want to follow. Alright guys, I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.